Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and today I will show you how to send a direct message on Twitter. DM on Twitter is a system that provides private messaging between two users. It is invisible and unknown to other users, which is good news. And DM is an abbreviation of the word direct message. You cannot send DM to everyone on Twitter, which may sound like a bad thing, but actually this is a good thing because it is blocking all those unwanted or spam messages. So DM, that is, the person you want to send private messages, should be following you, unless they have changed the settings, because these are the default settings that Twitter has. So if they haven't done any changes on their settings, you cannot send a private message to someone who does not follow you. DMs let you send your contacts private notes through Twitter. Just like regular tweets and mentions or replies, direct messages are limited to characters. Unlike regular tweets or mentions, replies, the only person who can see a direct message is the recipient. So, you can send a DM only to a Twitter user who is following you, unless they have been changed the settings, but you don't have to be following that users, of course, which helps cut down spamming or other unwanted message, just like I told you. To see whether someone is following you and you want to send a message or send a direct message, what we're gonna do is this. So as you can see, I'm using my mobile phone. I'm using my mobile interface right now. But the main reason why it's horizontally and not vertically is because you guys can see everything more clear. But you don't have to worry. It's all the buttons. Everybody is in the same place. So first things first, of course, you have to log into your Twitter. And then we're going to come here. You can see this messages icon. We're going to click here. And you can see that I have talked with a lot of people before. I have been using this feature. But let's assume that I want to send someone that I have never sent a DM to. So what I'm going to do is clicking here to this icon here and search for people, or we can create a group chat. As you can see, I'd like to use my best friend for this video. By the way, if I want, I can add more, but you see, I can add more, but what I can do to remove them, when I click on them, disappears. I'm gonna click on them so it goes away, and the only person I want to be sending a message is Busa. So now I'm gonna click next, and from here I will write my message. I'll write hey and then send my message. It's this easy. By the way, there are some other things. If you want to send a GIF, maybe, for example, something to do with hello. Let's use this one and send this one. So, why? Let's retry. Let's cancel it. I don't know why it's not working right now. Or you can send photographs from here. So I hope I was able to help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or any suggestions, let me know in the comments so I can come back and answer your questions or suggestions. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that button too. It's way easier than sending a DM. See you guys in the next video.